Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Kathryn. Kathryn, thank you for being a patron again this month. She requested a big memory keeping spread featuring one of the new sticker books from the Happy Planner. This one's really pretty. It's called Breathe, Live, Explore. I got this one at Michael's. It was on sale. 30% off. But yeah, it's a really pretty sticker book. I actually didn't know of this book until she mentioned it, so I'm glad I was able to find it, because like I said, it's a really pretty book. But yeah, I'm gonna use this to decorate the spread. I'm gonna try my best to just use this book, which I think will be good. Oh, look up these pretty stickers. There's butterflies. I love seeing that. Yeah, so let's see. Let's start with some washi. Ooh, I like this one. So washi stickers. Let's see which one will fit. I'll probably have to piece them together because this is for a classic size. So I just kind of have to work with what I got. And if you hear any like yelling in the background, I live right next to our pool in the apartment complex that I live in, and there are people in the pool. It's almost 9 o'clock. They've been out there since like I got home from work, or before I got home from work, so they've been out there for a while. But they're still out there having fun. I'm hoping they stop soon because it's getting late, and like I said, I'm right by the pool and I want to be able to go to sleep. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully by 9 they're like out of there, but you never know. And it's like Monday. Did I mention it's Monday night? So yeah, that's fun. Like Monday, I'm always the most tired because, you know, after the weekend, does this fit? Yeah. But like having to wait, oh no, this doesn't fit. Having to wake up early to go to work, and then having a work day, and then coming home and go. Tuesdays are always the hardest for me. Personally, they're just hard. So Tuesdays is when I wake up like not feeling super refreshed. But yeah, okay, I'm just gonna let it go across. Okay, that's already gorgeous. I love that, those like washi stickers. Ooh, I'm definitely gonna use these because these are really nice for journaling. Okay, some of these boxes. I'm gonna put one of these. I'll put this noted on the sidebar. Let's see, let's put it up here. Forgot to cover up this. Okay, that works. I was gonna put something down here, maybe some florals would be good, or a quote. But I'm kind of thinking florals. Like this floral is really pretty. Little flower. Kind of add that in the corner, and then maybe I could do a butterfly because I love a good butterfly on a spread. If you watch my videos, then you know that. They're cute too. They're like little outline ones. Okay, so we'll put it here, and then I can draw my little butterfly lines. Kind of going around, a little loop. It's always fun to do. And then like kind of off the page. Adorable. Okay, let's add a pretty girl. Like I love this back one. That's really pretty. I love back, like the back views of girls. Those are always kind of my favorite. We'll put her in the middle. Love it. Kind of reminds me of like sunrise, sunset kind of thing. Ooh, look at these. I love Polaroid pictures. These are definitely going on the page. It's huge, but this is a big planner, so boom, done. Love it. I love the colors in this book. We got some pretty quotes. We'll do this, stay brave. gorgeous. Ooh, I also have these nice words too. Okay, let me put some boxes over here so that way she has places to write in. But I think she likes having like a lot of decor, so that's good. So we'll put this one because I think this one's really pretty. And I can kind of just, not even like put it straight, we'll just, you know, kind of go with this look where it's a little slanted look, which is nice. I'm trying to find, okay, we can do a box. We'll do a box here with it. That's a nice place to write in. Let's see what other ones we can do. Got some circle stickers. Let's do a circle. Kind of with that whole area. Okay, I'm gonna put some boxes over here. So let me grab another one of these so I can put one on this side of the spread. We'll kind of slant it over here, and I'll do a box with that one. Let's see which box. Okay. Okay, that looks good. I want to add another girl or something. Or maybe just florals. More florals and butterflies. We'll see. So I'm trying to pull this off. Okay, so we'll put this floral over here. I'm gonna have these. They got little butterflies on them, so I'm just gonna have them kind of coming off the sides. Just grabbing another one of these. I'll cut this. Okay, let's add. Ooh, I like these corner pieces. Okay, I'll come back to those because I want to add. I want to add another girl. So let's do this girl. Believe in yourself, because I like that she has a quote with her. So I can put her over here. And then maybe like a box here. I have to find a box. Let's see if one of these will work. I think one of these will work, kind of, sort of. We'll put it here, right here, here. I could put a circle, maybe. Where are the circles? I think they're back here. Yes. Okay. Circle stickers. Let's do this one. Perfect. So it's not that sharp, or that line isn't completely shown, kind of covers it, so that works there. Love that. Okay, I want more circles. So I have this, let's do a pink one actually. Find another box. I have these. Right. Maybe see if there's anything else. These are pretty. Let's do one of these like arched ones. So maybe green. This is why like the big spreads are so nice, because just so much fits on here, which is awesome. Okay, so I just need to add some butterflies on this side, but I want to add a couple more things over here. So let me do an arched box here. I'm just gonna put a box here. Okay, and then let's get some butterflies on the spread. Oh, and I can do a quote. Yes, okay, butterflies first. One thing at a time. Okay, back to the butterflies. And I like this like dark green one. These are really pretty. So let's put it here. Wait, hold on. All right, it's gonna go there because it doesn't want to come back up. Okay, so it's gonna go a little bit around, kind of into that box. And then, okay, I did a like mustard color one here. So let's do one maybe here. I'll do a pink one. It's just a little line trail going that way. Okay, I think that works. Back to quotes. There's some pretty quotes in here, like some long ones. Oh, these, perfect. These are really pretty. Okay, so let's do, kind of want dream. Yeah, okay, we're gonna go with it. I wasn't sure if I liked it because it's like the same pattern, but I think it works. Okay, so dream there, and then I can do maybe inspire here. I know it's a lot, but I know she likes a lot on this spread, so yeah, I think this is going to be very good. Okay, love that. Okay, I feel like this side's pretty good. I might just want to add in, let's see. What else do I want to add in? Just, this book is really pretty, so it's hard to not continue using it because it's got some pretty gorgeous stickers. Like I have these cute little leaves. Maybe just add a couple of leaves here and there. So we could add one over here. I need the other color. Okay. A couple other things. Oh, there were like little quotes. Let's see. Okay, those weren't exactly the kind. Those were too like functional. Kind of, sort of. Okay, I think I'm good. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the spread. It turned out really pretty. Okay, so that was Breathe, Live, Explore. Really pretty sticker book. Again, I got this at Michael's, but it's also available on the Happy Planners website. But it's really pretty. It's very unique because I love like a different kind of sticker book, so this one was pretty. Love how this turned out. All right, so Kathryn, I hope you like your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.